So I am inside IntelliJ IDEA. Now my job is to create the first Kotlin program inside this beautiful IDE. So let's do that, right? Okay, let's create the new project. Select Kotlin, the name of the project. Let's call it first project. Simple as that. Location D drive. I want to have the build system Gradle. That is the build system means you don't have to think about any how to manage dependencies or stuffs like that. Just type the dependency name and the build system will handle all the files that needed to add to your particular project. So Gradle just adds the dependency to your project without you needing to download specific files for that. Okay, so I'm going to select build system Gradle. It will take some time to create the first project, but that's okay. I'm going to select the JDK as 21.0.2, then Gradle DSL to Kotlin, stuff like that. Just keep it as default, then create. Okay, let's maximize it. I'm going to delete all these things. I will write from scratch everything. Let's do that automatically. This is Microsoft Defender thing. Just close it. Now our project is ready. On the left hand side, you can see that I have selected the project. It is by default, it is selected as project. Okay. So here you can see all the files. Now this is the project name that I have created, first project. Inside this, there is a source folder. Inside the source folder, there is a main and test. We don't have to look at test folder right now, but we will in the later stages of this video series. But let's focus on the main folder first. Inside the main folder, you will see a Kotlin folder, which has the main.kt. And this file needs to be main.kt. Okay, one such file needs to be main.kt, and inside this file we need to write the name of the package first, that is org.example in my case. So next up, I want to write the main function like this. Let me delete it. Just let me show to you how you can do that. Just type main on your keyboard and it will show you the suggestions, and then hit tab or enter on your keyboard. See, the main function is added. Now let me create a package. Just right click on this Kotlin folder, new package, sample code files. Now I will create a file inside this package. So this will be a file which is the name of the Kotlin version that I'm using. So this program will print the version of Kotlin compiler that I'm using. So let's create the function name print Kotlin version, then no parameters, and inside this I want to create a variable called version number equal to Kotlin version dot current, then println. Inside this I will use a string that is within double quotes. You are using the Kotlin version the Kotlin compiler version, then the string template thing that is only available in Kotlin, dollar, and then the name of the variable, like this. Let me put that to new line. Okay, this is how the program looks like. Now this particular program is available inside the Kotlin version.kt, which is inside another package. Okay, so to use this particular function inside of our main function, we need to call it. So how can I do that? Just simple write the name of the function. In our case, this is the name of the function, print Kotlin version. So I'm going to write print Kotlin version and it shows you. Simple. But notice when I type that, an import statement appears here. This is the import statement. That means import the package for which this function is used. So I am using this function from sample code files package. So that's why the import statement is right here. org.example.samplecodefiles.print Kotlin version. So right now I'm ready to run this code. I can run this code in here. See the play button right here. Just click on it. Run main.kt. Okay, now we got the output. You are using the Kotlin compiler version 1.9.23. Okay, is this correct? I want to know whether this is correct or not. So for that I will go to settings, build execution and deployment, then compiler, here Kotlin compiler. So here is our Kotlin compiler version as 1.9.23, which is same as this. Okay, so this is how you get the compiler version, and this is the first program that I wrote using Kotlin. In the next couple of videos I will be focusing on more Kotlin things, so stay tuned for that.